Hello maths and accounting mavens, and welcome to new tutorials. So today we're going to look at the measures of central tendency. So measures of central tendency, these are techniques that are used to condense data into a single value around which most of the values tend to cluster. So measures of central tendency, these are techniques that are used to condense data into a single value around which most of the values tend to cluster. Now, there are various types of measures of central tendency, and we are going to look at some of them. So the first one have the mean. We have the mean. Second one is the mode. We have the median. We have the quartiles. We have percentiles. And lastly, we have the deciles. So these are some of the types of measures of central tendency. It's also good to note that when it comes to mean, there are various types of mean. I'll be mentioning just but a few. So there are different types of mean, and the first one, the most common one, the arithmetic mean. The arithmetic mean. We have geometric mean. We have harmonic mean. And lastly, we have combined mean. So these are the common types of mean and that are commonly tested. It's also good to note that measures of central tendency are sometimes called the average and the median. The median can also be referred to as the positional average. Positional average. It's another name for the median. Mean. So we're going to look at arithmetic mean. And if time allows us, we'll also be looking at combined mean. It is important to note that when it comes to arithmetic mean, when it comes to arithmetic mean, there are various methods that one can use to solve a problem on arithmetic mean. We have what we call the direct method of solving arithmetic mean. So the three methods that one can use to solve a problem on arithmetic mean. And the first one and the most common one is what we call the direct method. So this is the most common method that is used to solve problems on mean. We also have the second method, which is called the shortcut method. The shortcut method, and this shortcut method is sometimes called the assumed mean, assumed mean method. In the last one, we have what we call the step deviation method. Step deviation method. So you are able to get mean if you use any of these methods, and they will all give you the same answer, whether using the direct method or shortcut method or the step deviation method. They will all lead to the same answer. For the purpose of this tutorial, we are going to look at a problem on arithmetic mean. So I'll also be doing a video illustrating how we're able to use these three methods to solve a problem on mean. But for this video, I'm going to focus on direct method to be able to find solutions to some of the problems about mean that we're going to encounter. So I'll just give a small illustration and give formulas for this. So for the direct method, it assumes that mean, direct method states that mean is equal to summation of x over n. This is what the direct method is all about. Then the shortcut method says that mean is equal to an assumed mean plus summation of f dx over summation of f. So this is what the shortcut method, this is the formula for the shortcut method of computing mean. And then for the step deviation method, the formula given is that mean is equals to an assumed mean plus summation of f d over summation of f times I. So this is the formula for the different methods of computing mean. So for this lecture, for this tutorial, we are going to focus. We're going to use direct method of computing mean. And remember, this formula is when the values given are for ungrouped data. So direct method can also be used to compute mean for grouped data. And in that case, the mean will be summation of fx over summation of f. So if at all the data is grouped, then we are going to use this formula. Summation of fx over summation of f. If at all the data is ungrouped, then the first formula will be applying. Now, we're also going to look at combined mean. So in this video, I'm going to attempt problems on arithmetic mean as well as combined mean. For questions and solutions on arithmetic mean and combined mean, kindly watch my next video.